Hey you, welcome back to another spine-tingling, pin-dropping case of the Puppet-a-loo Mystery Detectives podcast. I'm your host, Detective Morgan, and today we're rolling into a place that's been quiet for years, maybe too quiet. That's right, the Misty Hollow Bowling Alley, closed a decade ago after the lanes warped during a big storm. But lately, something strange has been happening behind those locked doors. Locals walking past at night say they hear balls rolling down the lanes, pins falling, and eerie music drifting through the dark. But no one's been inside for years. Could it be a restless bowler's ghost? A mischievous spirit with a love for strikes? Or something even stranger? We'll gather 3 clues, and you'll help me solve the mystery at the end. When you hear this sound, you'll know we found one. And don't forget to hit the follow button for the podcast. These cases are tough, and I'm going to need your help with them. I can send you notifications through the app to let you know there's a new case to solve. But for now, grab your flashlight and let's hit the bowling lanes. Come on. We just arrived at the Misty Hollow Bowling Alley. It used to be a hub of activity with people bowling and having a good time eating nachos and hot dogs in days gone by. Let's talk to Mr. Russo, the manager who's been minding the place and noticed the strange things happening.
Detective Morgan, I never thought I'd step back in here. I ran this place for 30 years. Used to be the hottest spot in all Misty Hollow. Birthday parties, bowling leagues, you name it. But after that storm warped the lanes, we had to close and, well, it's been dead silent ever since. Or so I thought. Last week, the new security company called me. They said their motion sensors kept triggering at night. When they checked the cameras, the pins were down. Whole racks of them. Just like someone bowled a perfect strike, over and over again. And the weirdest part? There were no footprints, just ball tracks on the dusty wood.
No footprints? Just ball tracks? That's strange enough, but tell me more about this name on the score sheet. Who's Kingpin Lou?
Kingpin Lou. Now that's a name with history. Lou Martelli was the best bowler Misty Hollow ever saw. Back in the 1950s, they called him Kingpin because he never missed a strike. He won tournaments, trophies, even got his picture on the wall over Lane 7. Total legend. But Lou, he hated losing more than he loved winning. The story goes one night during the championship, he needed a perfect game to keep his title. He rolled the last ball, and the power went out mid-frame, so he never finished that game. And they say he stormed out into the rain, swore he'd never leave the alley until he bowled a perfect 300. Some folks say he never did leave. Not really. Kids used to sneak in and swear they heard pins falling and the deep voice whispering, "One more strike." Now, I don't believe in ghost stories, but after what I saw on those cameras and the pins falling down, part of me thinks Lou finally got his game.
Thanks, Mr. Russo. You've been a big help.
No problem, detectives. Just give me a ring if you have any more questions.
Okay, detective, that's clue number 1. A legend of Kingpin Lou and pins dropping in an empty alley. That's 1 clue. We need 2 more. Let's keep moving. All right, detective, check this out. An old score sheet on the counter, yellowed, dusty. But see these marks? They're fresh. And the name at the top, Kingpin Lou. Strike after strike after strike. A perfect game. But how? This place has been locked for a decade. Whoa, did you hear that? Pins. And wait, has that TV been on the whole time?
And here he comes, folks. Lou Martelli, the Kingpin of Misty Hollow, and he's one strike away from perfection. Here we go.
One more strike, and then I can rest.
Detective, that TV is just looping the same video again and again. That's clue number 2. A fresh score sheet and a voice from the past. Either this alley is haunted or something really doesn't want us here. Stay close, Detective. This mystery seems like it's about to strike back. Come on. Whoa, did you see that? Something just moved in the rafters. Get the flashlight. Look, there's feathers, pale ones, and right here on the pin setter, a small, round pellet, the kind owls leave behind after a meal. And check the ball rack. Tiny scratch marks in the dust. Can we be sure that this is a ghost of Kingpin Lou? That's clue number 3. Feathers, pellets, and a sign of a bird visitor. That's 3 clues. Let's put the pieces together. Let's see what we've got. 1. The legend of Kingpin Lou and pins falling down on their own. 2. We had a fresh score sheet marked with his name and a ghostly voice from one of those old TVs. And 3. There was those feathers in the rafters and pellets on the pin setter. So what's behind the mystery of Kingpin Lou? Are you ready to make a guess? Here's the options. Is it A, a prankster sneaking in for a late night bowling? Is it B, the ghost of Kingpin Lou, haunting the lanes after all these years, searching for a perfect game? Or C, is it a barn owl, making its home in the alley rafters and knocking things around? Think carefully. It's time to make your guess. Let's go for the big reveal. The truth is, it was C, a barn owl, nesting in the old bowling alley. That's right. It slipped in through the broken vent and made a cozy roost in the rafters. Every time it swooped down or shifted on the machinery, pins fell like ghostly strikes. And the ball tracks? The balls rolling when the pin rack shook loose. So no ghostly bowling champ, just one very spooky bird with a taste for quiet alleys.
A barn owl? Well, I'll B. I guess Lou's still a legend, but the alley, just a bird's bowling paradise now, I guess. Thanks, Detective. I'll call animal control and try to patch that vent wherever it came in.
Good plan, Mr. Russo. And maybe keep a lane open for Lou, just in case.
All right, I'll try to do that. Thanks, Detective. Have a good night.
Good night, Mr. Russo. Good night, Mr. Owl. Great work, Detective. You solved the case of Kingpin Lou. But don't hang up your detective hat just yet.
Hey, Morgan.
Yes, Chief?
Nice work at the bowling alley. I was ready to call a ghost hunter for Kingpin Lou.
Just another mystery sent straight to the gutter, Chief.
Don't go anywhere just yet. We just got a report from the Misty Hollow Museum of Oddities. Display cases unlocking, objects missing, and mysterious ticking sounds, even when no one's around. Are you up for it?
You bet, Chief. We'll check it out.
Beautiful. Keep up the great work, you two.
Well, partner, it looks like another case just landed on our desk. Let's take a look. Oh, that's strange indeed. A strange ticking sound echoing through the halls at the Misty Hollow Museum of Oddities. Well, we'll have to save that for another time. Until then, keep your detective hat on and your eyes open for clues. You never know when the next mystery will strike. See you on the next episode of the Puppet-a-loo Mystery Detectives Podcast.